Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel E-Learning Maths by Dr. Patil for BSc BCom Mathematics. Our topic is linear differential equation with constant coefficients, particular solution. Hello friends, welcome to E-Learning Maths by Dr. Patil for BSc BCom Mathematics. Our topic is linear differential equation with constant coefficients, particular solution. Subscribe the channel E-Learning Maths by Dr. Patil. Don't forget to press bell icon for getting updates. If you like my video, please press the like button and share this video with your friends so that many students can watch this video and get benefit.
In our last video, we have obtained general solution of linear differential equation with constant coefficient. Now, let us see how to obtain particular solution of differential equation. The particular solution is the solution obtained from general solution by substituting fixed values of arbitrary constants. If we put some fixed values of all the arbitrary constant in the general solution of the differential equation, then that solution is called as particular solution of the differential equation. Let us try to solve the problem. We shall solve the example d square minus 2d minus 3y equal to 0 when x equal to 0, y equal to 0, y dash equal to minus. We have to solve the example d square minus 2d minus 3y equal to 0 when x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and y double dash equal to minus 4. Now, for this, we have to find out first auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. Now, these factors of 3 are 3 into 1, so that minus 3 plus 1 equal to minus 2. Therefore, this can be written as m square minus 3m plus 1m minus 3 equal to 0. From this we can take m common, m minus 3 plus 1 common, m minus 3 equal to 0. And therefore, m minus 3 into m plus 1 equal to 0. And from this we can get m equal to 3 and m equal to minus 1. Therefore, roots of the auxiliary equation are 3 and minus 1. They are real and distinct. And hence, general solution is y equal to c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to 3x. This is general solution. For obtaining particular solution, we have to put fixed values of c1 and c2. We shall find out these values of c1 and c2 by using this given condition. Conditions are when x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and y double dash equal to minus 4. Not y, no, y dash. Y dash equal to minus 4. Therefore, we shall differentiate this equation. We will get dy by dx equal to minus c1 e raised to minus x plus c2 e raised to 3x into 3 plus 3c2 e raised to 3x. Now we will apply the condition. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Therefore, 0 equal to c1 e raised to minus 0 is 1 plus c2 e raised to 3 0, e raised to 0 is again 1. Now when x equal to 0, y dash is minus 4. Y dash means this dy by dx. dy by dx is minus 4 when x equal to 0. Therefore minus c1 e raised to minus 0 is 1 plus 3c2 into e raised to 0, that is 1. We shall solve these two equations simultaneously for obtaining the values of c1 and c2. We shall add this c1 minus c1 0, c2 plus 3c2 whole c2, and this is equal to minus 4. From this I will get c2 equal to minus 1. If I put c2 equal to minus 1 in equation 1, c1 minus 1 equal to 0, therefore c1 equal to 1. Thus I will get c1 equal to 1 and c2 equal to minus 1. And therefore particular solution is y equal to c1. c1 is 1. 1 into e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x plus c2. c2 is minus 1, that means minus e raised to 3x. This is the particular solution of the given differential equation. Thus, for obtaining particular solution of a differential equation, first we have to find out general solution and then find out the constants by applying the given conditions on the problem. Example is, solve the problem d square minus d minus 6y equal to 0. Conditions are when x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to 1, then y equal to e cube. First we shall solve this example, this differential equation. Its auxiliary equation is m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0. 6 has a factors 3 and 2 and minus 3 plus 2 equal to minus 1. Therefore this term can be written as m square minus 3m plus 2m minus 6 equal to 0. From this I can take m common. From these two terms I can take 2 common, and hence m minus 3 into m plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore m equal to 3 and m equal to minus 2. These are the two roots of the auxiliary equation. These roots are real and distinct, and hence general solution is y equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x. This is the general solution of the given differential equation. To find out the particular solution, we shall apply the conditions. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Therefore we shall put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in equation 1. We will get 0 equal to c1 e raised to 3 0, e raised to 0 1 plus c2 e raised to minus 2 times 0, e raised to 0 is 1. Therefore this is the second equation, c1 plus c2 equal to 0. Now put x equal to 1, y equal to e cube. If I put x equal to 1, y equal to e cube. Therefore y equal to e cube equal to c1 e cube plus c2 e raised to minus 2. Now we have to solve these two equations simultaneously for getting the values of c1 and c2. What we have to do? From equation 1 to equation 1, I shall multiply e cube. Therefore this equation can be written as 0 equal to c1 e cube plus c2 e cube. Now subtracting these two equations, e cube equal to c1 e cube minus c1 e cube 0 plus c2 times e raised to minus 2 minus e cube. Therefore c2 equal to c2 into 1 by e square minus e cube, that is equal to c2 into 1 minus e raised to 5 divided by e square, and therefore C2 equal to e raised to 5 divided by 1 minus e raised to 5. C2 equal to e raised to 5 divided by 1 minus e raised to 5, because e square into e cube is e raised to 5. From, if we put this value in equation 2, I will get C1 equal to minus e raised to 5 divided by 1 minus e raised to 5. Thus, the general particular solution becomes, particular solution is y equal to C1. C1 is minus e raised to 5 divided by 1 minus e raised to 5 into e raised to 3x plus C2. C2 is e raised to 5 divided by 1 minus e raised to 5 e raised to minus 2x. That is nothing but e raised to 5 divided by 1 minus e raised to 5 into minus e raised to 3x plus e raised to minus 2x. This is the general particular solution of the differential equation. This is the particular solution of the differential equation. We have to solve the problem d square minus 2d minus 3y equal to 0 when x equal to 0, y equal to 4 and y dash equal to 0. Its auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. 3 has a factors 3 and 1. If you take minus 3 plus 1, their sum is minus 2, the middle term. Therefore, this can be written as m square minus 3m plus m minus 3 equal to 0. M is taken common. Now, m minus 3 into m plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 3 and minus 1. Thus, these both roots of auxiliary equation are real and distinct, and therefore y equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to minus x is a general solution. Now, to find out particular solution, we shall find out values of c1 and c2 by using these conditions. In condition y dash we require, therefore we differentiate this dy by dx equal to y dash equal to 3c1 e raised to 3x minus c2 e raised to minus x. This is the derivative. Now, when x equal to 0, y equal to 4, therefore from this we can obtain the relation y equal to 4 equal to c1 e raised to 0 plus c2 e raised to 0. This is equation 3. Now, from second equation, when x equal to 0, y dash is 0. Therefore, 0 equal to 3c1 e raised to 0 minus c2 e raised to 0. Solving equation 3 and 4 simultaneously, for that we shall add these two equations. c2 minus c2 will get cancelled. 4c1 equal to 4. Therefore, c1 equal to 1. If I put c1 equal to 1 in equation 3, 4 equal to 1 plus c2, c2 equal to 3. Therefore, particular solution is y equal to c1, c1 that is 1 e raised to 3x plus c2 that is 3 e raised to minus x. Thus, y equal to e raised to 3x plus 3 e raised to minus x is a particular solution of the given differential equation. Our problem is find the value of y for x equal to 1 of the particular solution of d cube minus 4d y equal to 0 with conditions x equal to 0, y equal to 0, y dash equal to 0, y double dash equal to 2. First of all, we shall find out general solution of this problem. For that, auxiliary equation of this differential equation is m cube minus 4m equal to 0. See, we can take m common easily. M square minus 4 equal to 0. And hence, m into m square minus 4 has factors m minus 2, m plus 2. And hence, m equal to 0 or 2 and minus 2. The three roots of the auxiliary equation are 0, 2, minus 2, which are real and distinct. And hence, general solution is C1 y equal to C1 e raised to 0x, that is C1, plus C2 e raised to 2x plus C3 e raised to minus 2x. For finding value of C1, C2, C3, we shall use the conditions given, and in given condition we need y dash and y double dash. Therefore, we differentiate this equation 1, y dash equal to derivative of C1 is 0, C2 e raised to 2x into 2, C3 e raised to minus 2x into minus 2, and y double dash equal to 4c2 e raised to 2x plus 4c3 e raised to minus 2x. In this, we shall put the conditions x equal to 0, y equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y is 0, from 1, we get 0 equal to c1 plus c2 plus c3. Fourth equation. When x equal to 0, y dash is 0. Y dash is 0. 0 equal to 2c2 minus 2c3. 0 equal to 2c2, you can take 2 common and cancel, and from this we get c2 equal to c3. This is equation 5. c2 equal to c3. Equation 5. X equal to 0, y double dash equal to 2. Therefore, 2 equal to 4c2 e raised to 0, 1 plus 4c3, equation 6. Now, c2 equal to c3. Therefore, if I put c3 here, I will get 4c3 plus 4c3 equal to 2, which is nothing but 8c3. Therefore, c3 equal to 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. c3 equal to 1 by 4 and c3 equal to c2. Therefore, c2 is also 1 by 4. Therefore, c2 equal to 1 by 4, c2 equal to 1 by 4. We can find out c1 from equation 4. c1 equal to minus c2 minus c3 equal to minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but minus 1 by 2. c1 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, particular solution is y equal to c1. c1 is minus 1 by 2 plus c2. c2 is 1 by 4 e raised to 2x plus c3 e raised to minus x. c3 is 1 by 4 e raised to minus x. Y equal to c1 minus 1 by 2, 2 plus c2. c2 is 1 by 4 e raised to 2x plus c3 1 by 4 e raised to minus 2x. This is a particular solution. Now we have to find out value of y for x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, we have to find out value of y. Therefore, y at x equal to 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 times e raised to 2 plus e raised to minus 2. which is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 into e square plus 1 by e square equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 e raised to 4 plus 1 by e square. This is the value of y at x equal to 1. Our next problem is, example is, find the value of y for x equal to 1 of the particular solution of d square minus d minus 6y equal to 0 when x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and y dash equal to minus 1. Here we shall find out the general solution of this differential equation first, whose auxiliary equation is m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0. 6 has the factors 3 and 2, such that minus 3 plus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m square minus 3m plus 2m minus 6 equal to 0. Is taken common? Is taken common? Therefore, plus 3 m minus 3 into m plus 2 equal to 0, and hence m equal to 3 or minus 2. Therefore, general solution is y equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x. To find c1 and c2, we use the condition, and in condition y dash is required. Therefore, we shall differentiate this equation 1. Y dash equal to 3c1 e raised to 3x minus 2c2 e raised to minus 2x. Now we shall apply the conditions. When x equal to 0, y equal to 0, from equation 1 we get 0 equal to c1 e raised to 0 is 1 plus c2 e raised to 0 is 1. This is equation 3. When x equal to 0, y dash is minus 1. Y dash is minus 1 to 3c1 e raised to 0 is 1 minus 2c2, equation 4. We shall solve 3 and 4 for getting values of c1 and c2. For that purpose, we shall multiply by 3 to the equation 1. 3c1 plus 3c2 equal to 0. If I subtract this, minus, this becomes plus, this becomes plus. 0 minus minus 1, that is 0 plus 1 is 1. 3c1 minus 3c1, 0. 3c2 plus 2c2, 5c2. Therefore, c2 equal to 1 by 5. If I put in 1, c1 plus c2 equal to 0, we will get c1 equal to minus 1 by 5. And therefore, the particular solution is y equal to minus 1 by 5 e raised to 3x plus 1 by 5 e raised to minus 2x. Now, we have to find the value of y when x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 by 5 e cube plus 1 by 5 e raised to minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 5 if we take common, minus e cube plus 1 by e square, that is equal to 1 by 5 into minus e raised to 5 plus 1 divided by e square, that is 1 by 5, 1 minus e raised to 5 divided by e square. This is the value of y when x equal to 1. This way we can find out values of y when x equal to given function, given value in a particular solution of the given differential equation with boundary conditions. Our problem is Find the value of y for x equal to 1 of the particular solution of d square plus 3d minus 10y equal to 0 when x equal to 0, y equal to 0, when x equal to 2, y equal to 1. We shall solve this differential equation. For that, auxiliary equation is square 3m minus 10 equal to 0. Here has the factors 5 into 2, so that 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Therefore, m square plus 5m minus 2m minus 10 equal to 0. M is taken common, m plus 5 minus 2 is taken common, m plus 5 equal to 0. M plus 5 into m minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, m equal to 2 and m equal to minus 5. Therefore, general solution is y equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 5x. For finding particular solution, we shall put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in equation 1. Therefore, 0 equal to c1 e raised to 0 plus c2 raised to 0. That is c1 plus c2 equal to 0. X equal to 2, y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 when x equal to 2, that is c1 e raised to 2 into 2 4 plus c2 raised to 2 into 5 10 minus 10. Thus we get equation 3. We shall solve C1 as equation 2 and 3 simultaneously for getting values of C1 and C2. From 2 we get C1 equal to minus C2. I shall put C1 equal to minus C2 here. Therefore 1 equal to minus C2 e raised to 4 plus C2 e raised to minus 10 equal to, I can take C2 common, e raised to minus 10 minus e raised to 4 equal to C2 into 1 by e raised to 10 by e raised to 10 minus e raised to 4, that is equal to C2 equal to C2 into e raised to 10 is in denominator, 1 minus e raised to 10 into e raised to 4 is e raised to 14. Therefore, C2 equal to e raised to 10 divided by 1 minus e raised to 14. This is the value of C2, and C1 is equal to minus C2. Therefore, minus e raised to 10 divided by 1 minus e raised to 14. A particular solution is equal to 1, that is minus e raised to 10 divided by 1 minus e raised to 14 into e raised to 2x. C2 e raised to 10 divided by 1 minus e raised to 14 into e raised to minus 5x. This is the particular solution. In this particular solution, when x equal to 1, y equal to minus e raised to 10 into e raised to 2 divided by 1 minus e raised to 14 plus e raised to 10 into e raised to minus 5 x equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to 14, that is equal to 1 minus e raised to 14 by minus time e raised to 12, e raised to 10, e raised to 2 is e raised to 12 plus e raised to 5. That is nothing but e raised to 5 minus e raised to 12 divided by 1 minus e raised to 14. This is the value of y when x equal to 1. Thank you.